Okay, so why don't you erase what's inside the square? You can try to leave the square if you want, or otherwise we could redraw it. But I guess it's okay. So pick 3 random points in there again. How are we going to find the circumscribed circle of those 3 points?
Well, we need to find the
circle that passes through them.
Mm-hmm. we need to find 2 things. We need to find the intersection of 2 of the perpendicular bisectors, and then we need to find the distance from that intersection point to a vertex of the triangle.
Okay, so we're not going to do any calculating here, but why don't you go ahead and show what you would do?
So you'd probably, I guess, you'd have the coordinates. You could probably have the coordinates of these 3 points.
You can write in the coordinates.
So let's say A, B, C, D, E, F. So then we're gonna find the line, this line, and then we'd find this line.
Just to actually find the circle.
Mm-hmm. And then we'd find the intersection point.
Okay.
And this isn't too hard of a problem because we can know the line, this line, and we can know this line. So we can know these lines that are perpendicular through them because we know where they intersect.
Yeah, so it's actually interesting that the what initially seems basically practically impossible, like how am I going to find this circle, actually turns out to it's not like it's easy, but it's actually not that hard.
Mm-hmm. And then we just find the distance from this point down to a vertex.
Okay. And that gives us our radius?
Yeah.
And then we just do pi r squared.
Mm-hmm.
So actually, we can come up with this formula. If we actually did all this out abstractly, we would actually have a formula for the area of the circle that's going to be in terms of what you wrote out here, A, B, C, D, and E, F. So it's going to have 6 variables, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you an alternate solution that involves some math that both of you actually just happen to be studying reasonably recently.
Okay.
And then I'm going to show you a computer simulation.
All right.